Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang Valenzuela Classics kontra sa Bacolod City 88-81. Best player of the game si Dini Santos sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists. Wagi naman ang Pasay Voyagers kontra sa Bataan Risers 82-78. Best player of the game si Patrick Slit sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists. Pinataob naman ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns ang Nueva Ecija 91-85. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Archie Concepcion matapos nagtala ng 20 points, 3 rebounds at 3 steals. Heto ang game recap result ng June 27, 2024. Tinambakan ng Sarangani Marlins ang Bicolandia Uragons 101-55. Best player of the game si G. Mark Malyari sa likod ng kanyang 15 points, 3 rebounds. Tinambakan din ng Zamboanga Master Sardines ang Imos Agimat 110-71. Tinanghal na best player of the game si J-Boy Solis sa likod ng kanyang 10 points, 5 rebounds at 2 assists. Panalo naman ang Parañaque Patriots kontra sa Rizal Golden Colors 82-73. Best player of the game si John Paul Saraw matapos nagtala ng 18 points, 2 rebounds at 3 blocks. Heto naman ang game recap result ng June 28, 2024. Wagi sa isang overtime ang Marikina Showmasters kontra sa Quezon City 88-84. Best player of the game si Aaron Estacio sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals. Tinalo naman ng Pangasinan Heatwaves ang Muntinlupa Kidgers 87-84. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ian Milicio sa likod ng kanyang 19 points at 4 assists. Panalo naman ng San Juan Knights kontra sa Binyan Motorcycle Tire 96-85. Best player of the game si Isi Subirano matapos nagtala ng 20 points, 2 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of June 29, 2024. Pampanga Giant Lanterns 14 wins, 1 loss. San Juan Knights 12 wins, 1 loss. Nueva Ecija 12 wins, 1 loss. Manila City 11 wins, 4 losses. Abra Weavers 8 wins, 6 losses. Rizal Golden Colors 8 wins, 7 losses. Pasay Voyagers 8 wins, 7 losses. Valenzuela City 8 wins, 8 losses. Caloocan City 7 wins, 5 losses. Quezon City 7 wins, 8 losses. Pangasinan Heatwaves 6 wins, 9 losses. One Bataan Risers 4 wins, 11 losses. Marikina Showmasters 4 wins, 11 losses. Bulacan Koyas 2 wins, 13 losses. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of June 29, 2024. Quezon Huskers 13 wins, 0 loss. Zamboanga Master Sardines 12 wins, 3 losses. Batangas City 11 wins, 3 losses. South Cotabato Warriors 11 wins, 4 losses. Davao Occidental Tigers 10 wins, 4 losses. Parañaque Patriots 9 wins, 6 losses. Binyan Motorcycle Tire 8 wins, 5 losses. Iloilo City 5 wins, 9 losses. Muntinlupa Kidgers 5 wins, 10 losses. Negros Mascovados 5 wins, 10 losses. Sarangani Marlins 4 wins, 11 losses. Mindoro Tamaraws 4 wins, 11 losses. Bicolandia Uragons 2 wins, 13 losses. Bacolod City 1 win, 15 losses. Imos Agimat 0 win, 15 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong July 1, 2024 nagaganapin sa San Andres Sports Complex. Sa first game magharap ang Bulacan Koyas at Iloilo United Royals alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game magtutos ang Abra Weavers at Batangas City alas 6 ng gabi. Sa main game naman maglalaban ang South Cotabato Warriors at Manila City alas 8 ng gabi. Heto naman ang game schedule ngayong July 2, 2024 nagaganapin sa Caloocan Sports Complex. Sa first game magtutos ang Rizal Golden Colors at Mindoro Tamaraws alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game maglalaban ang Negros Mascovados at Imos Agimat alas 6 ng gabi. Sa main game naman magharap ang Davao Occidental Tigers at Caloocan City alas 8 ng gabi. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong July 3, 2024 nagaganapin sa Alonte Sports Arena. Sa first game maglalaban ang Parañaque Patriots at Bicolandia Uragons alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game magharap ang Sarangani Marlins at Quezon City alas 6 ng gabi. Sa main game magtutos ang Quezon Huskers at Binyan Motorcycle Tire alas 8 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.